Understanding past tense, simple past versus past continuous. Welcome to our flipped classroom project. Let's dive into simple past and past continuous tense. Simple past tense. When do we use the simple past tense? The simple past tense is used to describe action or events that occurred and were completed in the past. Common situations where we use simple past. Completed action. I visited Paris last summer. She finished her homework before dinner. Sequential action. First, I woke up, then I brushed my teeth. They arrived and the party started. Duration in the past. I lived in New York for 5 years. We stay at the beach the entire day. Habits or routines in the past. Every morning he went for a run. They always played chess after dinner. Events in a specific time period. In 1990, she graduated from college. Last week, we celebrated our anniversary. Simple past structure. Affirmative. Subject plus verb second form plus object. In English, only this is the place where we use verb second form. I visited Paris last summer. She finished her homework. Negative. Subject plus did not plus verb first form plus object. I did not visit last summer. She did not finish her homework. When we use did, we always use verb first form. Single interrogative. Did plus subject plus verb first form plus object. Did I visit Paris last summer? Did she finish her homework? WH family plus did plus subject plus verb first form plus object. When did she finish her homework? Past continuous tense. When do we use the past continuous tense? We use the past continuous tense to talk about action that were ongoing or in progresses at the specific movement in the past. Common situation where we use past continuous. Interrupted action. I was playing game when mom called me. They were watching a movie when the power went out. Two things happening together. While she was reading, he was cooking. I was singing while doing my homework. Background action. Birds were singing as we were having a picnic. The rain was falling while we were driving. Specific time at 2 p.m. I was still working on my project. Yesterday evening we were playing games. Expressing feeling or politeness. I was hoping you could help me. I was just checking if you were okay. Past continuous structure. Affirmative. Subject plus was verb plus verb ing plus object. She was dancing. They were going to school. Negative. Subject plus was were not plus verb ing plus object. They were not studying. She was not cooking food. Interrogative yes no. Was were plus subject plus verb ing plus object. Were you sleeping? Was she dancing in party? Double interrogative. By mistake I wrote this. WH family plus was verb plus subject plus verb ing plus object. When were you sleeping? Why was she dancing in party? Simple past versus past continuous. In simple past, I played soccer yesterday. In past continuous, I was playing soccer when it started raining. In simple past, she traveled to Paris last summer. Past continuous, she was traveling to Paris when I called her, and so on. Let's test our knowledge. Now see and do the exercise. Match with the answers. Conclusion. Quick recap. Simple past versus past continuous. Simple past. Snapshot of completed action. Past continuous. Capture ongoing action at a specific time. Use the right tense for the right movement. Choose simple past for what you did or wrapped up. Choose past continuous for what was happening, like a scene from the past. Now it's your turn. Do you have any questions? Don't hesitate. Your questions are important. Thank you. Thanks for flipping with us.